Welcome back to a wonderful day of cooking with the Robies. Now, as you know, I did meatloaf, and now here comes the meal prep part of it. Because what I'm gonna do, everybody ate, except me. I tasted my daughter's, so it's gorgeous. But I'm gonna meal prep this so we can, my wife will have lunch. You know, anytime we cook like this, you go ahead and get this stuff ready so anybody can eat anytime. So you can see my meatloaf. I didn't slice that all the way through. Meat, I'm gonna put one there. One in here. Now I did wash my hands, so in case anybody wondering, he didn't wash his hands. Yes, I did. Always put the big slice for me. Then we're gonna get some mashed potatoes in here. Two nice big old scoops of mashed potatoes. And this meal, this will be it. This is a nice little, like a TV dinner. Put some of my string beans in there. Over to the side. Get them in there. That's one down. 2 scoops of mashed potatoes. You know what? Let me put some sauce on these real quick. So you can microwave this. Two minutes and you're good. Yeah, let me put the sauce on first before I put the string beans in, but nice, it looks so delicious. Looks better than a TV dinner. Meal prep 101, y'all. Put some string beans in here. Two then. I'm just gonna put the sauce right now. This is mine, so. For, you know, when I wake up at night, or wake up tomorrow and don't feel like really cooking too much. It's better than buying TV dinners, I tell you that. I like potatoes, so I'm gonna put me a nice batch of potatoes in there. Give me some string beans. And that's 3 down. I'm gonna finish them all up, show you the end product. Okay, so here we are. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meals. Didn't have enough string beans to go around to the last plate. So you got two portions of meat on here and mashed potatoes. Let's get these all covered up. And bam. This is how you guys, you know, instead of eating out all the time, and I always never worry about my leftovers because if you cook it right the first time, everybody's gonna want to eat it the second time. But I'm gonna get this stuff put up in the fridge, and it's 3 adults in this house, or 3 We got 4, but my little son don't count. He eats with us. And then the last one. So we got 7 meals. Thank you everybody for watching. This is Cooking with the Robies. Until the next time, I'm out. Bam!